Alright, I'm here and we're making this video because we wanted to do a review on these KW coilovers, and I'm gonna ask the owner some questions. So what coilovers are these?
KW V1s. They're the basics.
And you said they were made in Germany?
Yeah, made in Germany.
Okay. And I heard that you tested not just the KWs, but you had the K-tuned coilovers and you had the function and form.
Yeah.
And can you tell me the difference between the three suspension and why you went back to the KWs?
KWs, better quality. The ride more smooth, like a OEM ride. And it has a helper spring, so it's better. The K-tune, they're no good. And function forms, they're okay. Spend a couple more $100, you get some quality stuff made in Germany.
So you're saying a couple $100 difference. You're saying what, $300?
Yeah, about
$300 more, and you get yourself some real coilovers from Germany.
And I think
for the TSX.
Sometimes some of them have lifetime warranty too. You just gotta ship it back to them and then they'll fix it for you.
And then last question, you said you tracked this. You tracked this on the
around the circuit.
Around the circuit, and
runs pretty smooth.
Runs pretty smooth. And then how about just driving regular on the streets?
You can't even tell your car's lowered. Rides like stock.
Okay. And then one more thing you mentioned, you said that with the K-tune you bottomed out. Yeah,
the K-tune I bottomed out. These coilovers I never bottomed out on them. Plus this car is a heavy car, it's 300 pounds. And compared to the K-tune, all they do is give you heavier spring rate, but that's not gonna do no good with the ride. You gotta change the whole valve, and that's what KW does. They do it to the cars. They test it too.
Okay guys, there you go. You know, right from the owner that actually owned all three coilovers. So I've been in this TSX, and with the suspension, with the KW V1s, I gotta say it rides really nice for coilovers. And I've been in a lot of cars with coilovers, and talk about bouncing all over the place. This feels like almost like an OEM ride. Here is the review of the KW V1 coilovers for a 2004 Acura TSX. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and please share.